Hello folks, today's video is about this sound level meter from Parkside. Again, I got this from Lidl. It has a 3 years warranty, battery is included, so let's open the box and see what we have inside. Batteries, the meter, and of course some manual. Let's take a look at the meter itself. We have power button, hold, fast, slow, min, max. We have a protective film over the screen. We have a wind protecting cap over the microphone. Let's remove the film. And let's power on the meter. As you can see, it's showing readings already. The values are in dBA. Down here we have this a little bar for visual representation of the digits. We have this fast mode over here, meaning that now the device is working in fast mode. This mode is for capturing noise peaks and noises that occur quickly. Of course, we have the slow mode for sound sources that are with consistent level. Now it's working in a slow mode. As you can see, the values are changing quite slowly. Again, fast mode. We have a backlight for places where you cannot read the values, like in a dark room. Of course, we have the hold button. For holding the current value. And the min and the max button. So this is the maximum value that the sound level meter detected, and it will stay until it detects something even higher. As you can see, I started talking louder and the value changed. Yes, the value changed. And of course, this is the minimum value of the sound level the meter detected. Exiting this mode. A really nice little tool. It's cheap also. So I will be using this in my next video. Stay tuned.